What's the meaning of Charles Barry? Charles Barry. Charles Barry.
Charles Barry. Charles Barry. Charles Barry was an English architect, best known for his role in designing the Houses of Parliament in London. The building is considered to be one of the finest examples of neo-Gothic architecture in the world, and has become an iconic symbol of British democracy. Charles Barry was also responsible for a number of other notable buildings throughout his career, including the Royal Opera House in London, and the Cliveden House in Buckinghamshire. Overall, he was a highly influential figure in the world of 19th-century British architecture.